everyone, my name is Harshvan Raut and welcome to another edition of Gadget Bridge. Today we're going to talk about some of the cool features for the iOS.
Alright guys, before we go ahead, do hit the subscribe button and the bell icon next to it so that you see our videos first.
Now we all know that the next iPhone will be releasing in September, but hey, September is not that far away. So let's just see some of the cool features that will redefine the iPhone. Number 1 is MemoG. Now this is the new MemoG with tongue detection. Now previous users must have had a great experience with MemoG, but this is a notch higher. You can select from the list of various skin type, color to face type and create your own character. Also, it catches the rhythm of your way of speaking. Number 2, dealing with notifications. Now we all know that we get countless notifications that bomb us from time to time. So here's a way to deal with your notifications. This feature sure lessens your burden. Your notifications become more organized and you can set it as per your convenience. You can also set it to quiet, which will make no noise and will not appear in your locked screen. Number 3 is screen time. Now screen time will tell exactly the amount of time that you're going to spend on your iPhone. The screen time feature shows exactly the amount of time you spend on the apps. So now what you can do is set a timer that would remind you that you are putting too much time in your mobile phone, which is good to keep you healthy. Number 4 is the Measure app. Now you don't need to get a measuring tape or a scale to see the length and breadth of a suitcase, because the measuring app does the work for you. You can simply do it through your phone by selecting the start and the end points. Number 5 is Group FaceTime. Now you can chat with all your BFFs, and I mean all of them, in this channel through Group FaceTime, because this extends up to 32 people in just one window. The sessions can be extended up to 32 people. That's really amazing. If you're bored, you can always have MemoG to represent you during calls. Number 6 is Apple Books. Now iBooks will be redefined to Apple Books. One of the best things about this feature is the discoverability, where you can find your particular book through the title, author and the date. Well, that's all folks. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button and do hit that bell icon. We are here to bring you some awesome content every day. Do not forget to leave a comment or two and also follow us on our Facebook page and our Instagram handle. So that's it folks. See you then. Bye-bye.